What's going on, folks? I want to make this video for you all that may be having issues, say, constantly with your gutter, to where every time it becomes like fall and the leaves come down, pretty much it gets all inside your gutter and you're constantly going up there cleaning it out. What you can do, I know there's different companies that, you know, will come in and put like gutter guards over your gutter and stuff like that. So if that's what you want to do, it's fine. But also what you can do, if you want to do it yourself, or you can go to basic like Home Depot, Lowe's, or wherever, and just buy you some basic gutter guards that will basically cover your gutter, that'll stop those leaves and stuff from getting inside of your gutter. That's what I have right here. It's just a basic gutter guard. I believe it came from like Lowe's, Home Depot, one of those places like that. But they're pretty simple to install. All you gotta do pretty much is just come, you'll see this lip right here, this opening right here. All you gotta do is take the end of it like this, kind of go up underneath your shingle on your house, kind of go up underneath the edge of it like that. And once you do that, you'll just want to take this part of it right there, and it snaps on the outside of your gutter like that. You see how it is? And also you want to make sure you know exactly what size gutter that you have before you buy your gutter guards, because there's different size gutter. I think the standard size may be like a 5-inch gutter. You may have a 6-inch, something like that, but just make sure you know what size gutter that you have. That way you can come out here and go ahead and put your gutter guards on yourself that'll stop your leaves and stuff from getting inside of your gutter. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. I'm gonna show you when I got it on. Okay, as you can see now, I got it kind of going up underneath the shingles. And now I'm gonna do is just pull it forward and pop it just like that onto the gutter. So now pretty much when the leaves come, it's not going to get inside my gutter no more. Now I want to go through and do the whole gutter the same way pretty much to keep the leaves from getting inside of my gutter. But this is just a quick solution that you can use pretty much to stop leaves and stuff from getting inside of your gutter, because you don't want the leaves to get inside of there and just sit in there, because over time they will become heavy. And with that heavy leaves in there with water and stuff, and it can technically cause your gutter to start pulling away from the fascia board, and you don't want that, because that's another problem within itself. So what you want to do is go ahead and put you a gutter guard up pretty much, and that should take care of your problem. All right, folks, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.